Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting a user account on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Accounts from the left sidebar. From there, select Other Users. Click the drop-down arrow next to the account you want to edit, then select Remove. If you are sure you want to remove it, click Delete Account and Data. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.